great thing with this system, in this particular car, it's got Meridian speakers. So if I go, I'll turn this down, I'll go to my tunes, I'll click Rainbow, I'm going to turn that down, click play. You see at the bottom there, if I click on that, there's a tick next to Range Rover. That means that anything that, any audio that plays on your phone, if you've got your audio system set correctly, it will play through the speakers in this, and the speakers are fantastic. So it's playing, it's turned down, we go over to, or we can either go over to audio here. It's already playing there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you what to do if it's not. So it's no good doing it the easy way, is it? So right, we'll just go back, we'll go back to nav, click play again because it's gone off. So we want this tune to play through here. We go to audio video, and then my music. It's on auxiliary at the moment, and there's a plus here. If there's not a plus, just click out of it and go back in, or click into something else, and the next time there'll be a plus there. And then we want Barry's iPhone. See my music, oh, timed out, so we'll do it again. Barry's iPhone, click on that. So that's showing it's playing the track that's on here. Now I'll turn it up. I can't turn it up fully. It blows the doors out. That's how you play music.